Are you frustrated with unknown callers? In this video, I will show quick and easy ways to avoid being disturbed by unknown calls. Receive genuine calls from callers, but not in your contacts like delivery drivers, riders, advertising calls, etc. Let's get started. First, turn on Silent Unknown Caller. This feature mutes calls from unknown callers and displays them as missed calls in your recents list. Additionally, calls from your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions will continue to ring as usual. So, let's follow the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe to the bottom and open the Apps section. Now, swipe up and navigate to Phone Settings. Then, look for the Silence Unknown Callers option. Turn on the toggle next to Silence Unknown Callers. Now, unknown numbers will be sent directly to voicemail on your iPhone. That's it. Alternatively, you can block unknown callers on your iPhone. If you block the number, you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime calls from people on the blocked list. To do so, launch the phone app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the I button next to Spam or Unknown Number. Then, tap on Block Caller. A confirmation screen appears on your iPhone screen. Tap on Block Contact to confirm. If you mistakenly block the known caller, tap on Unblock Caller to undo. That's it. I hope this helps anyone trying to block spam and unknown calls on an iOS device. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.